Hey guys, today I wanted to do a real quick video on a DIY first aid kit for your vehicle. And everything in this video comes from the Dollar Tree. I started out with getting this little cosmetic bag for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Then I also got lens wipes. I got this first aid kit. These nail clippers and files, liquid skin, Tums, Excedrin Migraine, and Excedrin Extra Strength. And I'm going to unbox all these and stick them in the cosmetic bag. Now that I have everything in the bag, this is a perfect little size to keep in your glove box in case of an emergency.